Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to give you guys 3 apps where you can borrow money until your next payday. And stay for a bonus because I'm going to give you a bonus option for business owners that you may or may not know about. The economy is different. Times are hard. So I know sometimes people need different ways that they can just make money, borrow money, find a way to get some cash. So I wanted to give you guys some options today where you can borrow money until payday or just whenever. Based on these 3 apps, I have seen for myself that they do work. I actually know multiple people that have used them as well because I pretty much have a list of like personal loan and apps that I send to like my followers on Instagram, friends and family, whenever they ask me, hey, do you know anywhere where I can get a loan or anything like that? So I'm just giving you guys 3 of those today, and let's get straight into it. So the first one is going to be called Dave. Dave is an app. It has a little teddy bear on it. I'm going to put the little on the screen what it looks like. Dave is an app where you can borrow up to $500 for a cash advance. Now, I like this app because there are no credit checks and there's also no check stub requirements. It's really just based on your bank account transactions, your actual balance you have in there, deposits that you have coming in, all that kind of great stuff. Also with Dave, you can receive a debit card as well. So if you do need a debit card for whatever reason, you do have that option with Dave. Now, you will have to link your bank account, like I said, because they are going to look at your transactional history to determine how much money you can get approved for. And the great option about them is once you're approved, you can choose to take the money and receive it within 1 hour for like a $6.99 fee. But if you're okay with receiving it direct deposit in 2 to 3 business days, there's no extra fee for you to receive whatever they approve you for. And also, just to let you know, even if your bank account is currently in the negative, you can still use the Dave app and get an approval up to $500. As long as they see that you have transactional history to show proof that you do receive some type of funds on a regular basis in your bank account, whether it be direct deposit or just whatever type of deposits you receive. Also, that brings me to the point of, let's say you need to pay back. Whenever it's time for you to pay back, it is going to be based on your pay period, or if you don't have a job, it'll be based on the next upcoming Friday. So either it's when you get paid or the next upcoming Friday, depending on if you have a job or not. And you can borrow from them multiple times with this one app. Like, you can do this on a regular basis as long as you're paying them back the money on time. Everything is good. Now, roughly, if you borrow about $100, let's say you borrow $100, it's going to be about $20 as far as the financing fee on it. So it's $20 per $100 that you borrow, just so you do know roughly how much you're going to have to pay back in interest on whatever you're getting from them. And when you sign up for Dave, they actually do report on your personal credit on Experian. So when you get the account and you're paying them back on time, it'll also report on your Experian as well, and you can actually build credit while you're in the process of getting that cash advance loan from them directly as well. But last but not least, the one thing I also really like about Dave app is that they have a section for side hustles. So if you want to know any type of side jobs or hustles that you can do in your area, you can go to the side hustles tab. They'll give you the different categories that they have available and let you know what's in your area for you to do. So not only are you able to get a cash advance, you're also able to find other ways for you to make money and bring in the income that you need. So please make sure you guys download the Dave app. I'll put the link in the description for y'all, of course. But this is really my number one option because there's such versatility. Now, the second one that I definitely recommend, I've actually seen a lot of my clients before get this account. I've had a lot of my friends get approved for it. It's going to be MoneyLion. Now, with MoneyLion, the way that it works, it's going to be another account where you're pretty much getting a cash advance, and they are going to look at your bank account and your bank transactions when you're receiving direct deposit, or if you are a business owner, if you have regular money flowing in your bank account that you're getting deposited from payments from clients, that will also count for you to be able to get approved with MoneyLion as well. MoneyLion also does have an app. Now, as far as your approval amount, it can vary depending on how much money, you have in your bank account, but it's a great option as well. If you're somebody who needs the money, I would definitely say you can do multiple loans as long as you know you're going to pay them back and it's not going to be a huge hassle, because these accounts do technically have access to your bank accounts, and I would hate for something to happen where you lose money because you forgot to pay and then they start charging extra fees. So the second account is also going to be MoneyLion. That is a great option for anybody who is looking to borrow that extra money. And then that last but not least is going to be Happy Money. Now, I like Happy Money because this is great for my people who may need a personal loan, a cash advance, or also if you are looking to pay off your current credit card debt. Happy Money is a great option. They specifically pull from TransUnion. And the way that Happy Money works is you're going to do your application. They are going to pull your credit for this one. This is kind of one that's a little bit more up there. They pull your TransUnion, but even if you have high utilization on credit cards, they will still approve you for a personal loan if you're trying to use it to get some cash or to pay off your current credit card debt. Um, they're not a company that, really boggles down on you having really high utilization as long as everything isn't maxed out. As long as you have a pretty decent credit score, you can get approved with Happy Money. And they do have a lot of great options for payback. You can also refer family members or friends, and you can get a referral fee for doing that as well. So Happy Money is going to be a great option. Remember, they pull your TransUnion report. They are going to pull your credit. Your utilization isn't going to be a big factor for you getting denied in most cases. So definitely try out Happy Money as well. And last but not least, I wanted to give you guys a option if you actually have a business. So if you have a business and you need to get a cash advance, you need a loan or something of that nature, if you currently use a payment platform, whether it be Stripe, PayPal, or even if you use Square, they actually have a lot of options for you guys to be able to receive a loan. So for example, I usually use PayPal for different transactions on my business, and you can see right now they're offering me a loan for $1,500, and I can pay it off in 4 payments. I've also gotten loans from my Stripe platform that I use for, if you have good transactional history on Stripe, literally they will offer you a $50,000 loan. I've seen it for myself. Same thing with Square. Now with Stripe and Square, it is based on your transactional history. The way that it's set up is if you accept a loan, however much that amount is, once you accept it, so let's say they offer you a $5,000 loan. When you accept that $5,000, you receive that money, and each transaction that you have coming into the platform from there, they will actually take your payment that you owe them out of that transaction. So if you are a small business and you need some type of capital, if you are using any payment platform, whether it be PayPal, Square, Stripe, they do have loan options, especially if you have money coming in. So that's a great option as well. I really hope that this video helped you guys. I want to make sure that we're doing everything possible to get you some funds. Last but not least, please make sure you guys check out my other video. I give you guys 5 different side hustles that you can do from home that do not require any type of degree, that you can do using different apps, or you can use different websites where you can just make money from home doing different side hustles. So I made a full video about that. I'm going to link it above for you guys. And last but not least, I just want to say Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, comment "I made it" in the comments section. Please like and subscribe. And if y'all want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comments too, because I haven't really done one like this before. So I don't know if this is the type of content you want to see. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.